Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a clean with me. And although I am focusing on the laundry closet, my real focus is going to be my washing machine. I tell you what, I didn't realize something that got, soap detergent in it every time you used it could get so dirty, but mine was, and you'll see that in a bit. Also, this began because husband and I changed out our doors to the laundry closet. We got some to match all the other doors that we switched out downstairs. What we had before were level doors, and I'll put a picture of those up top, the ones with the slats in it, but mine weren't pretty like those in the picture. Mine were painted over and old and dingy, so we switched them out. Hubs painted them and hung them, and I'm very pleased with them. So now we're going to get started cleaning up the laundry area, and I'm showing you the before. It's not bad. I try to keep it pretty straight, but things get out of place when you use it. You get soap powder here and there. You get, things get out of, a little worn, and you need to clean things up a bit. But the thing that struck me was my washer. Now, I will say, I'm showing you here that this is where I keep my basket of cleaning rags and cloths, and store a few things. This is new, and I forgot to do it in my last haul, but I got a new duster that I can't wait to try out. And this little thing here is where I keep all of the masks in case someone comes to the house and does not have one, because we generally keep the cloth ones in my purse, in the car, and that kind of thing. And these are just my Swiffer dusters. So we're going to look around for sure, and then when we get to that washer, just don't judge me, okay, because it is not pretty. But it is what it is, and I am going to clean it up. Let me preface this by saying I did lose some of the footage, and I don't know how I did that in scrubbing and cleaning the washer, but you will get the concept of what I had to go through to get it white again. And part of the problem was someone in this house, and I won't call any names, I will only say it wasn't me, tried to dye something in the washer as well. Yeah, that's kind of what we're working with. But as I was saying, they were trying to dye something as well, and that's the discoloration at the top. But all of that other stuff, it came off, so it had no business being there. So I'm just going to, as I said, show you around how we're starting out. The towels that are in there need to be laundered. This is just where Hubs put them when he brought them down from the bathroom. And you can see you get dust and things everywhere. So we're going to take care of this. So we're going to get started now, and I hope you'll stick and stay and see the difference. And before I go, let me let you know, these are the items that I use to clean. The Lysol with the peroxide, that is wonderful. I was told about this from another YouTuber, and I'm going to try and find her name and stick it in the bottom down there. I think it's Getting My Life Together After 50 is the name of her channel, but I'm going to make sure and leave a link to it below. She was the first I saw with the Lysol. I'm also going to, hopefully I don't have to use the Awesome, but looking at this, I thought I may need to scrub this with a little Awesome as well. And then the Everyday Cleaner is for the tops and other places where I didn't have to scrub so hard. But as I was telling you before, if you look here, you can see that most of the dirt and grime is gone. And I don't know where that footage went, but it took me a long time scrubbing that to get it gone. And also, I did have to use some Awesome on that, so I want to let you know that. So now, let's go ahead. I'm going to set this to music, and you can watch me do the rest. Do know that that was quite a job, scrubbing and wiping and getting that all off. But it did come off, and now it's all white and clean again. Now, at the top, I do have some left residual color from the dye, but I think that because it's coming out, that if I do this again, I will get rid of it. And I didn't mention that I'm also using the affresh, and that's a cleaner that I found that you put into your washer. You run it through without any clothes when you're cleaning it, and it cleans out your washer. So I'll be showing you that in a bit as well. So come on in and watch me get to cleaning.
Stuck in the the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh,
So friends, here we are here I am putting in the affresh. It's a tablet, and now I'm going to run the machine, and it's supposed to get all of the gook and the gunk from behind the drum of the machine, and also help with the inside too. I think I got the inside pretty clean, but I'm going to run it through anyway. They say you can do this like once a week, but I think it's once a week. I think I may do it once a month. And also I cleaned out the little holder on top there that you're looking down into, because that's where I put the fabric softener, and it had gotten kind of gunky and nasty looking as well. So I cleaned that out. So now I'm going to put vinegar in the fabric softener area. I'm going to spray the top with the Lysol with peroxide. The affresh is in the bottom, and we will go ahead and get this thing cleaned up.
yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Now I hurt so bad, all I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do, when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance.
As you can see, I am having to get into the little crevices and all of that. And some of the places that you see where it looks like I haven't gotten it all out, it's just where the machine it's aging, but I can't see replacing it until it's not working anymore. So I'm cleaning it up. And I think it's coming pretty well. It's coming up pretty well.
My life used to be in blue, now it's mostly filled with gloom. I miss you, baby. Yeah, I miss you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do when it was just me and you. Don't go, I need you, I'll never mislead you. Give this love another chance. Take my hand and let me have this dance.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now.
So friends, now we're about to do add some Cricut labels to these jars. I am redoing some and doing others for the first time. So I have already printed the labels out on my Cricut, and I'm just adding them to the jars.
Your places like I do. My place
long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe, and you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to.
So friends, thanks for sticking with me. You know, we always try to add a little decor to all of our spaces, but after living with this for a couple of days, I think I'm going to remove this blue vase of flowers and maybe just put something there that's just some greenery or something. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. You know, you have to live with something sometimes for a little bit. But anyway, this is how I set it up today. But I think that's going to change. And when we're done with this, now I'm going up to clean off the shelves and to dust everything and to make sure everything is tidy.
I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors. Yeah, I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Oh, try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh, maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Oh.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you
So friends, the shelves are all shiny and clean, the washer is clean, the dryer is clean, but now I'm looking at it and I think I want to change some things, like the two boxes on the ends, the one that's holding my cleaning cloths and the other one on the end with extra cleaning supplies. The tan ones, I'll describe them that way. I think I want to change those out, so I'm going to be going to my favorite store, Home Centric, and seeing what I can find. And I already explained that I don't think I'm going to leave the florals up there either. I think I'd rather have greenery. So the next time you see it, it may look a little different, but at least it's all clean now. I did not pull the washer and dryer out because hubby's not here today. He to help me do that, and we pulled that out about 6 months ago anyway, so it shouldn't be too bad there. My main focus today was to clean out that washer, and the rest was like gravy. So I think we've done well. I wanted to let you know that if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll do so. This is a lifestyle channel, and we do everything from cleaning, as we did today, to shopping hauls, to DIYs, home decor, seasonal decor, and the occasional recipe. And we're all about living large on a budget and living large in small spaces. So if something like that interests you, I want you to hit that subscribe button below. And once you do, please hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. Also, my analytics tell me that 61% of you that watch me have not subscribed. What are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button. You're watching, so you may as well subscribe as well and become part of the family. I'd love to have you. And when you do, leave me a notice in the comment that you have subscribed so that I can thank you and let you know how much I appreciate you. Okay, back to the video.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.
So friends, if you're still with me, I am so glad that you decided to stick and stay. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope it has inspired you. Who would have thought that your washer could be like that? Oh well, we find out something every day, something new, and then we fix it, right? So as I said, I'm going to make a couple of changes, but it's clean, it's organized, and I'm happy with it. Again, I'll invite you, if you're not already a member of our little family, hit that subscribe button below, and once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. I would like to thank my new subscribers. I want you to know that I see you, and I am so very happy that you've decided to join us. And for my ride or dies, you know that how I feel about you. You're special to me. I am so glad and so grateful and so pleased that you've decided to make me a part of your life. So I would like to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. I want you to find something today that brings joy into your life. I want you to be happy, I want you to be safe, and I want you to be healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite.